Right, so let's look at how we're going to do those exercise for bomb there. So we got the very first one is 1. Number 1 is 100 times 4 to the power of 3 plus 5. So the very first thing you need to do is I need to do what's in brackets. So I'm going to go 4 to the power of 3. Oops, just change that. Plus 5, and that'll give me brackets 4 exponent 3 plus 5, close the bracket. It gives me a value of 69, but still then I got the 100, so I'm going to go 100 times 69, and that should give me 6,900. What is good about this calculator is the Casio is you can literally do exactly that, those values. I would put 100 times, and I'll do it on this calculator. I'll go 100 times bracket 4 exponent 3 plus 5, close the bracket, and bam, it gives me instantly, it gives me the value of 6,900. So I can do it like that. I don't have to follow the way that they explained about bomb math. So you can follow it. This calculator is this great that you just have to do it like that. Now let's go to number 2. So number 2 says 150 divided by 6. That's pretty straightforward. It's just 150 divided by 6, and that gives you a value of 25. Number 3 is 36 square root times 10 to the square plus 80 minus 39. So I've got a whole bunch of things happening here. So I've got a bracket, and I got 36 square root times 10 to the square. Again, put it in your calculator. So I'm going to go square root 36, make sure you get out underneath it, times 10 to the square. That'll give me a value of 600, plus, then I'll do that basically what's in the bracket, and I'm going to go 80 minus 39. That gives me a value of 41. And then that will end up giving me 641 as a value. The next one, number 4, is 70 minus 3 plus 4, 2 to the square plus 6. Right, so first of all I will work out what's in the bracket. So I can keep this 70 minus 3 plus the 4, and I'll just do 2 to the square plus 6. That gives me 10. Now I can take this and I can go 70 minus 3. That'll give me the 67 plus. Then I can go 4 times 10, which gives me the 40. And then if I get the answer for that, that is like 107 is what my value will be. So you can see it's a very easy process. Again, I'll do it by putting the values in, just like that, into my calculator. Let's see if it works out. So I'm going to go 70 minus 3 plus 4, 2 to the square plus 6. And it gives me 107. So there we go. Don't stress it too much. You can still get the answer with this calculator. And then number 5, you got 30 divided by 2 times 3. So first of all I need to go 30. 2 times 3 gives me 6. So if I go then the 30 divided by the 6, and you'll see that that ends up giving you a 5. Again, you can put it just like that in a calculator. The last one is 2000 times 60 divided by 2 times pi times 800. So again, get the values first up at the top if you want to. So you can go 2000 times the 60. That gives you 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 times pi times 800. That gives you 5026.54. And then you can just do it on your calculator. So 120000 divide by 5026.54, and that gives me a value of 23.87. And that's basically how you can do this. And again, you can put it straight into your calculator and it will still work out.